Hi guys! Today we're going to review verbs. Think about what a verb is for a minute. A verb is an action word. It's something you can do. They're action. You can run, you can sleep, you can eat, you can jump, you can play, you can read, you could walk, you can skip. Those are all verbs. So verbs are action words. It's things that you do, okay? So be thinking about verbs while I read this quick little story. It's called Little Monkeys. Tiny little monkey. Little monkeys sit. So what would the verb be in that sentence? Little monkeys sit. What is he doing? He's sitting, right? Sit. Little monkeys jump. Think about the action word, the verb. What's the verb? The verb is jump. Little monkeys climb. Little monkeys eat. What are our verbs here? What is this monkey doing? What's the action? Nice job, guys. Little monkeys hang. He's hanging right in that tree. Little monkeys run. I wonder if they run fast. We'll have to look into that. What's our verb here? Little monkeys run. I think it's run. The end. So think about all the verbs that we heard in the story. See if you can come up with a list of verbs. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your dog, tell whoever's home. Think about a verb. Bye.